When you create a new OneNote, it will come with some pre-filled sections, the collaboration space, content library and teacher only section. But we don't need all the information that they give us, and we're going to organise the student work ourselves. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the pre-filled space in the content library and replace it with our own, and I'm going to call it classwork. To delete a section, right-click on the name and select delete. Now click at the bottom of the page to add a new section, and we're going to give it the name Class Notes. You'll notice the first page has been automatically created for us. You can right-click to change the name, however it's easier just simply to add a title to the main page. Once you have added work, it's easy to drag elements around the page. However, for larger elements, this becomes a bit tricky as they tend to overlap, as seen here. And this can make things very difficult to manage. So is there a better way? Well, I think a better way is to use Subpages. Subpages allow you to cut down the work into smaller chunks, and you can rearrange these pages quite easily. So have a look at this menu. Everything appears to be in the right order. I just want to put Monday and Tuesday as subpages so they are indented under week 8. To do this, select both pages by using the Shift key and then right click and select Make a Subpage. And now they'll be both grouped under week 8. If you keep going, you should be able to achieve something like this, which is much easier to navigate. And there you have it, Subpages.